Updating to iOS 17.4, users cried about battery drain. Although it comes with many benefits, iOS 17.4 makes many users complain about poor battery life. According to Phone Arena, last week, Apple released the iOS 17.4 update, provides users with the ability to download apps from third-party app stores, use mobile browsers with non-WebKit engines, pay for in-app purchases using external platforms, and more. In the EU. In other markets, iPhone users after updating to iOS 17.4 will be able to set the stolen device protection feature, protection mode. When iPhone is stolen to work everywhere, not just in familiar locations, but besides providing some bug fixes, the new iOS version also brings problems that no one expected. According to reports, iOS 17.4 is draining phone battery very quickly, with one user posting on social media that their iPhone battery lost 40% in just 2 hours. Another iPhone user said the battery had evaporated 13% after just a few minutes of being online and posting on the X network. Another user even complained that their phone's battery had run out of battery overnight. Before, when sleeping, iPhone is at 60% battery. Charging also became an issue after installing iOS 17.4. An iPhone 11 Pro user said he plugged the phone into charge when the battery was 40%. After 4 hours, the battery was still not fully charged, reaching only 94%. On social networking sites, many iPhone users have posted warnings advising others not to update iOS 17.4. With the topic "Don't update to iOS 17.4. This is a trap, your battery will evaporate very quickly." According to some opinions, it will take several hours to several days for the iPhone battery to return to normal, because the device needs to process changes after the update. However, if the situation is too serious, try restarting your iPhone. Then, go to Settings greater than battery. See which application is consuming too much power and temporarily remove it from the system. Then continue to monitor the battery status for a few days. If it still cannot be fixed, the final solution is to restore factory settings by resetting the entire device or reinstalling iOS through the iTunes application. Or choose Live with the Flood and wait for Apple to release the next iOS version.